I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Underneath the dome of high pressure, our highs tomorrow are once again very hot in the low to mid 100s. The high pressure ridge moves east on Sunday, but highs still remain at hot levels in the mid 90s to the low 100s. The humidity through the weekend making it feel even hotter with heat index readings of 105 to 110. A blast furnace feel and rapid drying of the soils is likely to continue through the weekend with south wind gusts of 30 to 40. Breezy south winds keep our lows tonight and tomorrow night at warm levels in the 70s. Thunderstorm chances return by Sunday afternoon, lasting all the way through Thursday as a cold front jumps southeast into the plains. Storms could be severe late Sunday through Sunday night. Central and northeastern Nebraska are in a slight risk of severe storms, a level 2 of 5, while other areas are in the lower marginal risk. Occasional thunderstorms most likely from Monday night through Wednesday night, mostly during the late day and nighttime. With the front nearly stationary, heavy rain amounts are possible, including amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches over central and eastern Nebraska. Highs on Monday drop into the mid-70s to the mid-80s before we see those highs level off in the 80s for Tuesday into Thursday. For the long-term forecast, temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through the first 3 days of July likely to be mostly warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall indicated to be above normal Wednesday through July 3rd, mostly the middle to late parts of next week. Taking a look at the outlook for the month of July, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures predicted to be overall slightly warmer than normal. Most of Nebraska and Kansas expected to see slightly below normal rainfall next month. Rain chances expected to be even lower in northwest and north central Nebraska. Key weather factors influencing the markets include a few days of heat across the U.S., widespread rain from the northern U.S. and Canadian prairies, and dryness in parts of the Black Sea region, China, and Australia. As a strong ridge of high pressure develops over the central and eastern U.S., early season heat quickly advances eastward, encompassing most areas east of the Rockies this weekend. Through Sunday, highs reach 100 or higher as far north as the western Corn Belt. Cool air currently arriving in the northwest reaches the northern plains. The sharp contrast in temperatures helps to spark significant drought-easing rain across Montana and nearby locations. Towards the Canadian prairies, widespread and possibly heavy rain is expected for Alberta into Saskatchewan, with rain more scattered elsewhere, helping to improve crop conditions after recent dry weather. Early next week, tropical moisture wraps around the western and northern side of the high-pressure ridge in a classic ring of fire pattern of thunderstorms. 5-day rain totals should reach 1 to 3 inches or more from the southern Rockies into the Great Lakes and northern New England. Another storm likely to move into the plains later next weekend, likely producing scattered rain and thunderstorms, especially across the northern U.S. For the central and southern plains, the multiple rounds of rain could cause quality concerns for unharvested wheat, but continue to build soil moisture for corn and soybeans. In the Black Sea region, isolated rain continues through next week, still leaving many areas too dry. Cooler temperatures in the Black Sea region could help to reduce crop stress. Across Australia, rain is helping a little with wheat establishment, but is only spotty in the drier east. Much more rain becomes more critical for Australia in another month or two. Central China saw some very needed heavy rain, especially helpful for corn and soybeans. Corn and soybeans in northeast China are in better shape, but very little rain is predicted for the next week. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.